Hello everyone, welcome back to On Top Indicators. Now I just got done back testing the Chande Oscillator and I'm using the 1 hour chart on Euro USD, so trading Forex. I just wanted to find out what the best settings for the Chande Oscillator were. So the default settings are just set at a 9 period look back, and the signal line, which is this white line here, I have set at 21 bars back. So the white line is basically just a moving average of the yellow line looking back 21 periods. So let's see how this strategy did. So this strategy was actually a little difficult to test. I didn't have a ton of success with it, but I'm going to still give you guys the best settings I was able to find. If you see here, these are the default settings, right? The length set at 9, the signal line set at 21, and the stop loss and take profit is half the ATR, which is what I do with all of my tests. The net profit you would have been down 4.65%. Now this is Forex, so 4.65% is actually quite a bit. It's not like Bitcoin or different cryptocurrencies where 4% is nothing, right? It just comes and goes every day. So you definitely don't want to be using the default settings for the Chande Oscillator. It's not going to give you a good signal. It's not going to give you a profitable signal, I should say. Over the long term, you're going to be losing if you're taking a buy every time that the Chande Oscillator crosses above the moving average. So what is the best signals to use, or I should say the best settings to use? So what you're going to want to do is change the length to 199. Yep, 199. And the signal line to 28. That's going to give you, these are the best settings that I found. So you'd be up 6.37%, which actually isn't that bad considering this is Forex, and Forex just doesn't move very much at all. Here you see we were down a little bit, and then it's kind of staying steady here for a long while, even though we're in the profit, and then it kind of takes off a little bit towards the end there. So again, not the best indicator to use on the 1 hour time frame for Euro USD. So I definitely be looking at different indicators to use. But if you already use the Chande Oscillator and or you're back testing it with something else, then you definitely want to use these settings here. You want to move the length all the way up to 199. That's going to give you the best results. And if you use the signal line, put the signal line at 28. All right. Now, if you think you're ready to start following some of the best strategies that I found and the ones that I personally use, then head on over to ontopindicators.com and sign up to the email list there. In order for strategies to be effective now, I can only allow access to a small amount of people for each one. Otherwise, the strategies just stop working and they become obsolete if too many people are trading them. So everyone on the email list always gets the first crack at using them before I post them on here on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to that. Once again, head on over to ontopindicators.com, sign up to the email list if you want first dibs on the strategies as they come out. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, goodbye.